This little guy here may hold the secret to a sci-fi superpower for humans, actually being able to regrow body parts. That in a report at StudyFinds. Please like and subscribe when you can. Considered a medical holy grail of sorts, biological researchers at the University of Kentucky, or as they say in the vernacular, the University of Kentucky, are making this science fiction fantasy more plausible. They have assembled the full genome of this guy here, the axolotl. That's a unique salamander native to a lake near Mexico City. Here's Randall Voss, a professor in the university's Spinal Cord and Brain Injury Research Center, in a video the university released.
The axolotl provides the best model for studying tissue regeneration, so they can regenerate so many of their body parts, their limbs, their brain even, their spinal cord. And so having a genome assembly now really is a game changer for the axolotl community.
I know what you're saying. Hey, StudyFinds guy, how do these animals relate to humans? Well, I'm glad you asked. Despite their diminutive size and seeming simplicity, axolotls share many of the same genes as humans, yet the axolotl has a full set of chromosomes, a genome that is 10 times the size of humans. Whoa! I feel like we're either way more efficient than this guy or these things are going to take over the world someday. Jeremiah Smith, an associate professor in the university's Department of Biology, describes the genetic data as a pile of puzzle pieces. He says that getting the genome in the right order is the clue to going forward with analyzing genome structure and function and uncovering the mechanisms that bestow upon axolotl their magical powers.
The reason why this is interesting is that axolotl has a really big genome, so each cell in an axolotl has 10 times more DNA than the same cell in a human, which makes this a really challenging job to figure out how all that DNA is arranged onto only 14 chromosomes.
This was the first genome of such a massive size to be assembled correctly and could eventually lead to enormous implications for humans.
Maybe it's possible that we could do what an axolotl does. You just tell my arm to turn on a few extra genes after I cut it off and it comes right back. That's the sort of long-term kind of what people have been dreaming about for 150 years.
The university is home to about 1,000 adult axolotls, a resource they share with other researchers and educators worldwide. You can check out more info on this and other studies by clicking the link in the description below and head over to StudyFinds.com.